Greetings to all. My name is Norbatrisha Kaisarah binti Johari, and I am a student of SMK Pangkalan Aur, Taiping, Perak, with a school code AEA 6058. Today, I'm going to review an autobiography that has moved me deeply, entitled Unstoppable: The Incredible Power of Fascination by Nick Vujicic. I purchased this book from Popular Bookstore at 44 ringgit and 90 cents. This book is 240 pages long and is available in paperback format. Nicholas James Vujicic is an Australian-American motivational speaker with tetra amelia syndrome, a disorder characterized by the absence of arms and legs. However, that didn't stop him from becoming an international and New York Times best-selling author, motivational speaker, and the director of Life Without Limbs. Nick Vujicic has motivated people all around the globe with his ability to overcome every obstacle he faces with grace. The publication of Unstoppable follows Nick's first book, Life Without Limits: Inspiration for a Ridiculously Good Life. His bibliography also includes Love Without Limits and With the Hands and the Feet, which also sold like hotcakes and were well received by fans and critics alike. One of the recurring subjects in Unstoppable is faith. Nick Vujicic has overcome every trials and hardships, both mental and physical, by focusing on the premises that he was created for a unique and specific purpose, that his life has value and is a gift to others. Utilizing his faith, he discovered his talents, passion, purpose, and most importantly, himself. Nick credits his success to the power that is unleashed when we put our faith into actions. As he puts it, to simply say, "I believe," is not enough. If you want to have an impact in this world, you must put your faith and your belief into actions. Faith in action is a combination of having faith in yourself, your talents, your purpose, having the strength to act on it, doing what's necessary to improve your life. However, faith doesn't just appear out of thin air. Faith has to be nurtured, tended to, and taken care of. And only the power of love can do that. If we surround ourselves with love, and we are ready to give love as much as we receive, faith will come naturally. As humans, we have the power to love without limits. It is our greatest strength. When we activate that love, we can not only fulfill our purpose, but play a part in seeing the whole world come to peace with fulfillment in life. Besides faith, perseverance is also prevalent in Unstoppable. Nick is a firm believer in consistency and hard work. Nick learned this value from his incredible parents. When Nick was born, they were quite stunned at his lack of limbs. However, that did not let Nick's disability define him. They poured their love into him while teaching him on how to survive on his own. They made sure Nick got a proper education, learned to swim, and helped him in believing in himself, among other things. His parents also taught him to stay optimistic even in the darkest of moments and persevere through hardships. This optimism has clearly rubbed off on Nick, as he never let his shortcomings define his character or bring him down. Even though this book doesn't follow a chronological order, it managed to keep my interest, allowing me to know the real Nick Vujicic, instead of the picture perfect I always saw on the TV. Nick Vujicic also uses simple language, which got me to focus more on his story and his thought-invoking messages. In my opinion, people of all ages, particularly teenagers, should take time to read this book, as it has a wealth of ideas and information that everyone should know to see the lights in their lives and succeed in whatever that they are interested in, as it provides readers with the great deals of assignment and hopes. Furthermore, these books also help readers to realize that anything is possible if you put your mind and your soul into it, just as Negeri Sik does. That's all from me. Thank you.